Hi, this is Steve Thoele, Principal Broker at Premier Property Group, and bringing you another quick update on the McMinnville real estate market in 3 minutes or less. This update will cover the last 6 weeks of market activity ending this past Sunday, February 21st. So I'm going to share my screen with you now and share some info with you. So first off, looking at the active listings, this last week in McMinnville, we had 9 new homes come on the market, and then we ended the week at 19 listings on the market. You'll see that that's up a bit from where it's been over the prior month and a half. The median list price and days on market, you'll see is kind of, the median list price has gone up. This last week did hold steady at 747,000. And then the days on market has gone from a high of 45 down to 10 days on market this last week. Looking at the pending listings, you'll see that last week we had 5 homes get into contract in McMinnville, and we ended the week at 40 in pending status, which is kind of right in line with where it's been over the past 6 weeks. Not a lot of movement there. And then the median price and days on market for the pendings, we've gone from 400,000 about a month and a half ago down to 367,000 this last week. And then days on market's been very consistent between 5 and 7 days of market time. So things getting into contract very quickly. And then lastly, looking at the sold listings, you'll see that we had 5 homes close this last week as of the time I put this together. And then looking over the prior 4 weeks of activity, we had 28 sales in McMinnville, which is, you can kind of see is up from where it's been over the last month and a half. And the median sold price and days on market has been a little volatile. We were 370 6 weeks ago, went up to 486 a couple weeks back. And then this last week ended at 415,000. And then days on market's been pretty tight, pretty consistent. This last week was at 6, and it's been between 5 and 10 days on average. And then lastly, looking at the weeks of inventory, you'll see this last week we were at 2.7, so just a little under 3 weeks of inventory in McMinnville. And that's kind of right in line with where it's been over the past month and a half, so it hasn't moved a whole lot. So certainly indicates a very continuing tight market and very much a strong seller's market. So to get a better, closer look at this update, you can click the link or button below this video, and it'll take you to my website where you can take a closer look at things. And then below that, I still have my buyer and seller guides for you to download. If you're thinking about buying or selling a home, they're a great resource for you to check out. And lastly, hope this update's been helpful to you. If so, please give me some likes, comments, and shares. And lastly, if you don't have a real estate professional you know and trust, I certainly would welcome the opportunity to see if my 16 years of experience and local market knowledge could be a great fit for you. So just give me a call or send me a message and I'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching and have a great day.